Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis. I hope yesterday you were able to make some decent money. I actually just captured 1% and just moved away because I was not able to take any trades as I was not on desk and caught up with a lot of meetings. So today I'm starting a bit early. Today is the 14th of March 2023. The current time is 8:12 a.m. IST. And first of all, where I would like you to focus or shift your attention is towards what is happening in terms of the price development. So earlier we were in a 4-day balance and we opened gap down. We were in a 2-day balance, and yesterday it was a trending move, and we cleared this 5-day balance. Okay, so overall we did tag the monthly low. So this was the February low. It did got tagged, and then we saw some exhaustion, and then we saw some short covering, sort of a bounce back, and the price was trying to close above. But yeah, this was one good trade which I was able to identify, but I spotted it around after 3 p.m. So that's why I did not take that particular trade, and I'll see if I get time today to take the trades. But so I'll just remove this 2-day balance, and this 2-day balance is, so just first remove this. I'll remove the, sorry, not the 4-day balance, but I want to remove this okay, I want to remove this label. Also yesterday we had a lot of single prints, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so for me these are the zones which I'll be looking at. Let me also remove the 5-day balance, so that way we have more clarity. But overall what has happened is this entire range. So which range I'm talking of? I'm talking of this entire range, right? And now I'll also look at the mid of the range. So this is just and that's where again the supply came in, and just a simple balance rule where the price looked below. Now it looked below balance and failed. So let's see today whether we expect some sort of balancing, or we again see another rally. And the area of interest for me are this single print zones, because that's where I'll be seeing some responsive selling to come in. But this is the bigger balance. This is the balance high, this is the balance low, and this is the mid of the balance. And from the mid to, so this particular range is cleared, and now we'll look at, so I'll be looking at the pre-open data and then take the trades. But I'm seeing that we might see some sideways development today. Today is, I think, Tuesday. There is also Fin Nifty expiry, and yeah, so we might see some moves. But this zone, so basically this is where I'm looking for a retest from supply again. So if the price opens, within this range, right, then any move higher is where I'm looking for supply to come in and again take the price lower. Yeah, so that's that's the first trade plan which I have for today. If the price opens within this range, so this range is nothing but between 39,500 to 39,600. Yeah, that is, and 39,500 is the area of where supply just shut off. Yeah, so 39,500 is the zone which I'll be looking at, and this is the 39,500 zone from this chart, and this was the reaction where I wanted to take a long, but as this came around 3 p.m. I did not took it. Yeah, so switching back to what I'm expecting is this is the first auction path. Second auction path is we open gap down, and then the previous day low is the one which will act as a level of resistance, and then see continuation lower. But let's see what happens, because these are the areas where a liquidity is present. Once the liquidity is cleared, then I'm expecting a sort of a bounce back. Yeah, so If the price opens below 39,600, then I'll be looking for every rise as a selling opportunity, and I'll be looking for the if then statement, and I'll be following the balance rules. Yeah, so that's the first plan. Second plan is if the price opens within around 40,000, so about 500 points gap up from the previous day's close, then things will start to be a bit interesting. So what's going to happen is it's going to challenge both the sellers, option sellers and option buyers. And you need to observe at 40,000 and 39,900, what happens at those levels. If it is just chopping around, so wait for this range to break, and once we have a breakout, then only you take a trade. So we might either see a breakout above or a breakout below. Yeah, so based on that, you have to just be careful. So today, let's see if I find a trading opportunity. Looking at my schedule today with the meetings lined up, if I can, yes, I will. If not, then so whatever development I have, I'll be sharing it in the YouTube community or YouTube post tab. Yeah, so just look at that. So 40,000 and 39,500. These are the two levels which for me are very important today. And let's see whether we see a range bound activity today, or in the later or in the second half is where we see a breakout or a breakdown. Yeah, so this is the overall trade plan which I have, and pre-open data is still not out, but overall if we see we might see a sort of a gap down, because Hang Seng, Nikkei, they are opening negative. Dow Jones is trading positive. As we are looking at Dow Jones, let me see what has happened at SPX. So I'll just delete this. Okay, so it is balancing. It shut off, supply shut off here, and let me just zoom out. So we had a look below and fail. Okay, so SPX right now, the S&P 500 is still balancing. And other thing which I wanted to share lastly is from the order flow data. So we have stacked or some supply absorbed about 1.1k at 39,600 levels. Yeah, so I'm expecting a sort of the price to open about 39,600 in the futures. Same way in the spot, yeah, it will be opening above it, and there are certain stops and single print zones. So a very good day to observe, and only take trades if the price is developing as per your understanding. Okay, so sorry, I am keeping today short again with a busy schedule with meetings lined up, but let's see how the day plays out. Yeah, so thank you again, and I'll see you again